Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Malhotra, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, Guru Gobind Singh College of Pharmacy, Yamuna. Today I demonstrate the model termed as Addy's hot plate, recognized by the name of scientist Addy. The method or the model is used to evaluate the central analgesic activity of any drug. The apparatus includes the hot plate, which is maintained at a temperature of around 54.5 to 55.5 degrees Celsius. For assessing the analgesic activity of a given drug, first of all, the non-drug administered animals will be placed inside this hot plate chamber. After that, the chamber will be closed immediately, and the time at which the animal shown either of the sign, either you can say licking, or you can say jumping, or you can say squeezing, will be noted. The animal will be moved immediately after showing this sign. Please take precaution that if any animal will not show any of the sign after 6 or 9 seconds, the animal immediately removed from the study, because after prolonged heating, the paws of animal, the foot of animal will be damaged. Now the drug will be administered to the animals such as NSAIDs, diclofenac sodium, aceclofenac, you can say mefenamic acid, for showing the analgesic activity. After 30 minutes of drug administration through intraperitoneal route or oral route, the animals will be placed again in this chamber, and the pain withdrawal latency time was observed. The same precaution will be taken that no animal will be retained in this chamber after 9 seconds of the experiment. Now at the end, it will be concluded that after administering the particular analgesic drug, the withdrawal latency symptoms that occur like squeezing, jumping or licking will come later as compared to the non-treated animals. For example, if the non-treated animals show the time 3 seconds or 3.5 seconds, the analgesic treated animals will show the time more than 4 seconds or 5 seconds. It means after administering the analgesic activity and analgesic drug, the pain threshold, the capacity to maintain in the pain system will be increased. Thank you.